This quick honest review is of the Duracell 2032 Lithium Coin Battery 4-pack. Let me show you. I chose Duracell because of the brand name. Pretty much you can't go wrong with Duracell. You know you're going to get a quality product. The 2032 model is for key fobs and specifically the Apple AirTag device. So I needed to change the battery out for that. Apple AirTag, where you push down on it and rotate anti-clockwise to open it up. The little silver disc that's in there, and the battery sits behind that, which is what you're going to just turn around. You've got the battery that sits underneath, and you would get the new one. This is the new one in here. Put it straight in and little cover back on. Packaging itself is child secure, and boy is this secure. That's the only downside I actually find with this. I mean, I totally get it, having it's child secure, and so a small child can't swallow it. But just be prepared. You're going to have to cut your way through this plastic to actually get to these. Price point for those, very reasonable. This 4-pack on Amazon, around about $6, so about $1.50 for each battery. Very inexpensive. You can actually buy a bigger pack. I saw a 9-pack as well on Amazon. That made it a little bit cheaper. That was around about $14, $13-14 for the 9-pack. If you need more, that'll be the one to go for. Overall, solid quality product. These work great. It fits perfectly for the Apple AirTag. 2 thumbs up for this product. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.